Morning, 6 a.m. Putting the finishing touches on a piece of mechanical sculpture. Your special machine, tuned and polished to ultimate perfection. You've checked and rechecked every component. Your bike is ready to tackle exotic international highways and byways, which, until this moment, were only dreams. Winding turns, endless hills, every nuance of the road can be sent up to. Your mount is primed, eager, up to the task. What about the most important element in safe cycling? You, the rider, the ultimate machine. Before taking your show on the road, be sure to protect the finest creation of all. Ride with your heart, but use your head.